It's been more than a year now. Buying multiple properties as a foreigner in Rwanda has been a little bit difficult, and I've searched the internet. There is not much information about it. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what does it take, how can you buy multiple properties in Rwanda as a foreigner. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Prince of Man from Quick Homes Rwanda. Buying multiple properties in Rwanda because Rwanda is affordable is one thing that most people think about, because you get here, you buy your first property, and man, you find another good deal and another good deal, and you want to own many. But the government kind of put a halt on that. You have to register one residential property per family if you are a foreigner. But if you want to register more, it has to be considered as an investment. So I'm going to give you details of what you need to do to own more than one property. So as I just mentioned, you need to register your second property as an investment property. Now, even for the first one, if what you're acquiring has a zoning other than residential, so commercial, hospitality, forest, you also need to follow these steps that I'm about to explain. And for something to be considered as an investment, it has to be registered under a business. So the first step is to register a business. Register it through RDB. It's a one-day process. You get your business registration the next day. Pretty easy and straightforward. Second step is to find the property you want to acquire. Use agencies like ours, Quick Homes Rwanda. You'll browse our website and find all the options we have in the city, but scorch the internet for the property that is ideal for the purpose of your business. After you locate your ideal property, the following step is to request what's called an investment certificate. Now remember, you've already registered the business, so what you'll need to submit to get this is an application letter addressed to the CEO of RDB. You'll need to submit a business plan. You'll need to submit financials. These are detailed addressing how you intend to maximize profit of your investment on that particular land or property you want to buy. And you also need to submit a preliminary agreement of sale between you and the particular seller of that land or property you want to buy. These documents with your identifications will be submitted online from RDB's websites. Once everything qualifies, oh, I almost forgot one thing. You also need to pay a fee of $500. That might vary depending on the time you watch this video. But after everything is submitted, they will analyze your document and send it back if you have anything to correct, or if it goes completely, they will issue you with an investment certificate, which is something that you will use to register these additional properties. After receiving your investment certificate, the following step is to request what's called a conformity letter. This is a letter that confirms that what you intend to do with the land is in line with the allocation of the zoning of the master plan of whichever district you are going to be operating in. This one is also requested through RDB, and these are the following things that you will need to request the conformity letter. You'll need to submit a letter requesting the conformity letter. This one encapsulates as well the UPI numbers that you intend to buy. You'll need to submit the investment certificate that you just received, again from RDB. You'll need to submit the copies of titles of the particular properties you intend to buy, as well as the preliminary sale agreement between you and the seller of those particular properties. You'll also need to submit the business plan of what you intend to do with those particular UPI numbers and properties. Now, once all that is submitted, this is done at RDB office. They will reply to you in about 2 weeks once the conformity letter is approved, and this is what you will need to transfer any land that you have mentioned in the letter and business plan into your company's name. Now, two things. The conformity letter is only applicable on those particular mentioned UPI numbers, and the investment certificate can be reused every single time once you want to buy an additional property. All you'll need is to request the conformity letter for all the properties that you'll need need to buy for your future growth of the company. Once with the conformity letter, that's the last step. Now you can go ahead to the land notary. That could be at the sector office or the private notary. You can transfer the lands in your company names. Now, this process can be straightforward, but it's a little bit tedious. If you want Quick Homes Rwanda to help you with that, please write to us on business@quick.rw. We will be happy to assist you requesting this investment certificate and conformity letter for your business. And that's it with today's quick tip. I hope you find value into this video. Tell us in the comments if this was helpful and if you need to hear more of videos like these ones. Until next time, it's been Quick Homes Rwanda.